In this video, I will share the exact step-by-step process that I use to optimize the search campaigns for my clients. And this is the practice that I always perform whenever I'm onboarding a new project in the search category. What I exactly do is that I remove all the non-performing keywords from an account that are not giving profitable results for their leads, services, their cost per acquisition is not profitable, their returns on ad spend is not profitable. I will share the exact steps, exact filters that I apply to filter out and remove the non-performing keywords to ensure that these keywords are losers in the short run and in the long run as well. So let's jump into the screen and see the exact steps that I always perform. So like you can see in this screen, I have applied two main filters, that is the cost filter and the conversion value by cost filter. So these two filters will help me across all the understanding of positive and negative keywords that are winners or losers. So like in this one, I have filtered them on the base of all time on this account. Like this is a pretty old account, mature company, and in this one you can see all the keywords that have spent more than $100 in all time and they have not been profitable, like their returns on ad spend is less than one. So all those keywords are showing out here who have not been profitable for longer period of time. There are 17 keywords. I have selected all of them. The next step I do is that I go to the label section. I create a label and apply that label according to their filters. For example, this is the filter that I have created specifically for these for the keywords, like $100 plus, representing that how much it has spent, and the ROAS is less than 100%. So and it's all time. 80 stands for all time. So this is the way I name it. You can name it on your way according to your convenience. So you can simply go on here, name it, and then apply it. That's where it will be applied like this. So I have already applied these filters to save time for you. And the next one is in this one you can see I have applied the 6 months, like 180 days. And next thing is I have selected all of those keywords that have been losers, and the cost filter is all those keyword has who have spent more than $50 and whose returns on ad spend is less than one. So this is the criteria to filter out these keywords. Again, I select all of them and go to labels, and this for this one this is the dedicated label created, like it has spent more than $50 and ROAS is less than 100%, and 6M is standing for last 6 months. So this is the second filter, and the third filter is selecting all those keywords who has spent more than $20 in last 30 days and whose returns on ad spend is less than 100%. So all those keywords who have in this one, there are 22 keywords. So go to labels, selecting this filter, or you have to create it because I have created these filters like this. So that's why they are coming out here. You can create filter, you can name it like whatever is convenient for you, like $20 plus means it has spent that money, and less than one ROAS means it has spent less, it has achieved less than 100% ROAS in last 30 days, so they are losers. Then you can also filter for the winner keywords. Like in this filter, all those keywords that have achieved more than 300% ROAS all time, they are called as winners. So I have selected all of them. There are 146. I go to labels. Now you have to create a label, and I have already created the label in green color. Let me just show you the name that I exactly use for it. That is a 3 plus ROAS all time. So this is representing 80 stands for all time till 2024. This is the label that has been applied to this. You can apply like this. Click on it. You have to create it first, and then you can select it, and then you need to apply it, something like this. Exact example. Then you have to choose another one where you select last 6 months timeline from the here filter, and then you need to filter out all the keywords who have been profitable on that timeline, like more than 300% ROAS in that time. So there are 78 keywords that are profitable in last 6 months. You can create a label for them as well, like this is mentioned ROAS 300 plus, and Q3 Q4 stands for quarter 3 and quarter 4 of 2024. So these are the winners, so I have labeled them. The third one comes out here is you can select last 30 days, and then you need to apply the filter of uh, ROAS more than 300%. So there are like 36 keywords that are profitable in last 30 days. There is a dedicated label for them as well. That label is 303 plus, stands for 300 plus ROAS in December 2024, this fourth quarter. So when you have filtered out all these keywords and you have labeled them properly, now you need to go out there and you need to uh, filter the keywords on the basis of labels that you have created. For example, I have asked the Google Ads filters to only show me those keywords who are losers in the long term, all time, who are losers in the 3 months, the 6 months, who are loser in last 30 days. So there are three keywords like that who has been losers in all three dimensions. So you need to pause all those keywords like this so that they don't take more of your marketing budgets. This is one thing. Then you can also apply another filter, or you can see, for example, this thing actually depends upon the brand's criteria, because some brands are big enough that they want to continue invest even if some products are losing them for like 3 months, 6 months, but they want to be running them consistently because they have been profitable for them for in the longer range. So, for example, if I just remove the filter of last 30 days and only see those keywords that are losers in the in the last 6 months, there are no more keywords. And let's see if there are some keywords who are losers in the longer run, but not losers in the shorter run. So this is showing me all those keywords who are losers in the longer run, but they are not losers in the shorter run. So these keywords can also be paused. Like there are 14 keywords that have been losers in the long range, and this keyword that is losers in the long range but it's profitable in the short term. So I will not be removing this one, and I will only be removing those ones who don't have this green label. So this indicates that they have been profitable in the shorter run, but they are not profitable in the longer run. So for this brand's concern, they are willing to take the risk, so I will continue investing in this one. Like this keyword has more than $1,550 spent but no sales, so I will continue to pause all of them other than those that is profitable in the shorter run, like this. So 13 keywords pause. So this is the live example that I have applied on this account. This is a very good account, and it's able to achieve very good dramatic results in the Q4 of 2024. So this is the exact process that applied, and this is one of the strategy that I applied to scale the search campaigns. And if you need any more suggestions, any more, if you have any questions regarding the implementation, you can ask me in the FAQs, and I will be happy to share whatever information I can share according to your needs. Thank you.